sink within myself, and no one else could save me but myself. So I can tell if I have been doing it well.
Hey friend, and welcome to my channel. I'm Angelique. So today I'm coming to you with yet another unit from Sensationnel. This one is going to be from their Butta lace collection, and it's in the style Velvet Flow, and it's in the color number 2. So here's what the stock card for her is looking like. And then here's the inside of the stock card. This one is going to be available in 6 special colors. So I'm going to just slap this bad boy on the wig head and give you guys a 360 so you can see what it's looking like. The length on this one is 13 inches, and look at these curls, honey. This is a very like dream girls type of vibe. This wig looks so cute straight out of the box. And then I'm just gonna bring it in and show you guys the hairline on this one. It is slightly plucked out, and you do get baby hairs that are gonna come with this one. So I'm just gonna go in and add some of my Juvia's liquid concealer to the inside of the lace. For the construction on this one, you guys, you are going to get 2 combs in the front, your 1 comb in the back, as well as your adjustable straps. And this one is also going to come with an adjustable elastic band. This one is also going to just have a 5-inch deep hand-tied lace parting space. And just because a wig only comes with the center part, that does not mean that you are limited to only wearing it as is. And I am going to show you guys a couple of styles that I was able to achieve, even though this is, like I said, just your standard center part. After I'm done putting the concealer on the lace, I just use this fan to go ahead and dry it out. And now I'm just putting on the wig head and starting to cut that lace off. As always, first I go in with my embroidering scissors, cut that lace into smaller sections, and then this is just to prepare it for when I go in with my serrated pinking shears, which are right here. Since I already have those pre-cut sections, now I'm just going in with those pinking shears and cutting off the remainder of the lace. And then after I'm done cutting that lace off, I'm just going to go ahead and slap this bad boy on my head. So for reference, my head is about 22 to 22.5 inches in circumference. I did adjust the adjustable elastic band just a bit, and it's fitting my head perfectly. I think if your head is any bit bigger than mine, you should be fine to get away with wearing this one. What I did really like about this unit is I was able to wear it completely glueless, so I don't have any adhesive on this whatsoever. And the stock card does list this one as glueless as well, and I was just happy that it actually worked out for me, because I feel like sometimes when a unit is listed as glueless, it could be a hit or a miss. So right now I'm just going to go in with my Revlon blow dryer brush and just get rid of some of that humpiness that I was seeing. I'm going in on the low heat setting because they don't list a heat maximum on the stock card. And now I'm just going in with my The Warrior 2 palette by Juvia's in the colors Yoda and Kufuru, and just adding that around the perimeter of the lace. And then I'm also going to add that into the parting space as well. So for the texture on this one, you guys, it was absolutely yucky, which I was a fan of. I feel like the curls out of the box were absolutely beautiful, but I wanted to look a little bit more natural, like it was my hair, so that's why I just went in and I finger combed the curls out, and I also did go in with a brush too and just kind of, you know, made them a little bit more messy, a little bit more realistic. I feel like you could honestly wear it either way, but I kind of liked it this way a bit more. And if you guys can notice, they did go in and add some slight layers, which I really liked, to help add to like the whole body and the feel and the look of the unit. I was absolutely here for that. As far as the density on this one, the density is definitely on the fuller side. I want to say it's leaning more towards like between 160 to 180% density, especially if you do what I did and just go ahead and brush those curls out. Something about this unit is just doing it for me, you guys. This is honestly exactly what I'm looking for when I go out looking for wigs. I want something that's cute, but it's easy and simple, and that's not going to make me spend a bunch of time and put a bunch of work into a unit. I just want to be able to slap it on, not really do too much, have it look realistic, and then just be good to go. And especially if I'm able to wear it glueless, that is absolutely 100% what I am looking for when it comes to just getting me a good grab and go wig. I feel like this is going to definitely be a good wig for somebody who's looking for something that's like like super quick and easy, and you can get away with wearing it every day. Like look at this, especially with the length. I feel like this one is definitely going to be manageable for sure. So when it comes to my cons and pros on this one, honestly, I really can't say I have any cons, you guys. The price of this one wasn't bad. This one was $35. So yeah, I really don't think I have any cons when it comes to this one, honestly, you guys. My pros on it, I feel like they did a good job on the hairline. You could always go in and pluck it out more if you felt the need to, but I feel like it was fine just as it was. I did like the fact that it came with baby hairs, even though I didn't feel the need to use them. And I like the fact that even though it is just a singular 5-inch center part, you can still get away with doing various styles like I'm showing you guys here. And you can see I'm going in here and kind of giving a bang sort of situation. So I feel like this one you can also go in and customize it too as well to make it look even more realistic. But I feel like as a whole, if you were to just get this bad boy, take it out of the box, brush it out some, and install it on your head, I really don't think you would be disappointed. Like the price point is great, the texture is great, the volume is great. So that's pretty much all I have to say about this unit. Hope you guys found this video helpful. If it was, just make sure you give me a like, give me a subscribe, comment down below any of the units you want to pick up in any of the colors I need. And until then, I hope to see you guys soon. Bye.